All right, let's look at the calendar, your course schedule. So if you look at the calendar, you'll see week 1 is just getting to know each other. Your assignment is due by January the 20th. It's an introduction discussion board. It's a flip grid through a flip grid, and there are instructions on how to access the flip grid. Uh, it is a video post, so we will be able to see and hear each other. I want to increase our visibility and getting to know, making a learning community in an online course. So this is my attempt in trying to do that. As you will look that the initial post is due by Thursday of that week. So the Thursday is actually 17th. So your initial post, that means your own introduction, is due by January 17th, 11:30 p.m. And that's 20 points. So if you don't do that, you're going to lose the whole points. And I'll show you where the grading system is in just a second. Same way, week 2 tells you what is happening, the chapters, when is it due, what is the due date, what week is it. So we have a holiday there. The only thing is either you have a question, post them. Now you can post questions throughout the semester. But the reason it's here is because you may have watched these videos and have more questions. Your course quiz is due. If you look at the chapter 8, since there is no discussion board, you just have a quiz due. The quiz is due by February 10th. Same way for chapter 9. Now here is where your first observation paper happens, and there will be explicit expectations about it. Then you have your chapter 10, where is your ethics quiz. Once again, your I actually see that this is going to be updated. You shouldn't have had this line. So this is going to be updated in just a second. And then you have some extra days given, and then there are 2 extra days given for when you have 2 assignments together. In this is just 2 quizzes. Once again, 2 attempts on the chapter quizzes, time for 30 minutes, and the highest is recorded. So let me show you where you will look up for your grading and all those things. So if you look at the introduction discussion board and you click on it, there is a read me first for introduction. You will also see a video here which gives you the instructions to go on Flipgrid and record your introduction and do the replies. So when you click on this read me first, it tells you you will be introducing yourself. This is what you are using to introduce. Introduce yourself to the class. Tell us about you, your major, your hometown, hobbies, things like that. You'll be using Flipgrid. This is the code for it, and there is a direct link. So if you click on this link, it will directly take you to the Flipgrid. And this is for a grade. So your grading is, it is for 30 points. 20 for your own introduction and 10 to reply for your peers. 5 points each. This is an easy grade. Your initial post, that means your introduction should be clear, audible, organized. Remember, it is due by January 17th, 11:30 p.m. and your replies are by the 20th. So if you will lose all your 20 points if it is not there by Thursday. And then you have your replies. You are more than welcome to reply to more than 2 classmates. Listen to others, however you want to do it. 2 replies are needed for meeting the expectations. No one-liners. Connect to your peers. That is what my goal is for this assignment. Other things, if you look at this, here's your course question. You can access it through here, or you can go under communication and discussions. So you just click on the course question, start a new thread. Start a thread, give it a heading, and post your questions. Here's your course quiz. If you look at the course quiz, you have a read me first already there, which tells you that you will be taking a course quiz. There is only 1 attempt. It is for 25 points and it is due till January 27th. So you have the whole week to finish it, 1 attempt only. And for your quizzes, to access the quizzes, if you go in here, you can see the course quiz here. You can access it directly from here, or you can go in assessments and have test and access them over there. Once again, please don't hesitate. All these are not available right now. Only the one that is available is the course introduction quiz. Please do not hesitate to ask me any questions. I will be more than happy to answer. I am really excited to have you all in class this semester, and I look forward to a very rich and rewarding and fun semester. Have a great day.